Hello everyone, welcome back again to another beautiful video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you how I made this super delicious WAAKYE recipe. So I made this WAAKYE without leaves, bicarbonate soda or kiln. Yeah, so this is very delicious and very easy to prepare as well. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, for this recipe I will need my black eyed peas. That is what I'm going to use for this recipe. You can use the brown beans if you want, but this works perfectly fine. So into my cooking pot I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. Yeah, so I'm using 1 cup of beans, so I'm using 3 cups of water to cook this. To that I'm going to add in my washed beans, stir this very well and allow this to cook on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so whilst that is going on, I have my basmati rice over there. I have 2 cups of basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Okay, so it's been additional 20 minutes of cooking our beans and I'm back to check on it again, and it is doing all perfect right now. At this point the beans has cooked for about 80%. Now you don't need to cook this for about 100%. It should be 80% or 70% done. Okay, so now the beans is well cooked now, so I'm going to add in my basmati rice. Okay, stir everything together and add in 1 tablespoon of salt, and remember the salt is always to your taste. So I'm going to give this a very quick stir and cover it to cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. And as you can see, I didn't add in any water apart from the 3 cups of water I used. Okay, so if you want your WAAKYE to be very soft, open WAAKYE ata and also on fan so be brengum. As for me, I love it very soft as well, but not too soft. Okay, so I didn't add the salt to the beans to cook alongside with it because I don't want the beans to take long whilst cooking. So now let's cover this to cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. And if today being your first time on this channel, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying here. And we are back to check on our WAAKYE and it is looking all perfect right now. I'm going to give this a very good stir because WAAKYE is more like jollof rice. Yeah, you don't have to leave this WAAKYE on fire for about 15 to 20 minutes. When your fire is very high, you're going to burn it, trust me. So always try to cook your WAAKYE on low flame for it to cook very well. And just look at the WAAKYE right now. And at this point, the aroma this WAAKYE was giving me, guys, you should have been here. So now I didn't add in any oil. If you want to add in any oil to your WAAKYE, you can choose to add in any oil for flavor, either being coconut oil or olive oil. You are good to go. So now I'm going to cover my WAAKYE for extra 10 to 15 minutes to cook very well. And after extra 15 more minutes, just look at that. Our authentic local WAAKYE is ready. This is super easy, right? So if you don't have your sorghum leaves, your soda carbonate, your kiln or whatsoever, you can make your own WAAKYE at home with just beans and rice. Okay, so now let's check if our rice is soft enough, and it's very soft, and that's how I want the consistency to be. And to my lovely returning and new subscribers right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing my videos. Your girl is very grateful, guys. I'm truly grateful. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't subscribed, oh baby, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. So today I'll be pairing my WAAKYE with some Hausa WAAKYE stew papebi. So turn on the post notification bell and be notified anytime I post that video. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy our WAAKYE. And what is Ghana WAAKYE without some macaroni, gari, and your salad, guys? I paired with some gari and some macaroni. You can pair with anything you want. Okay, so if you have these ingredients in your house, just get right into your kitchen and prepare something like this for your family, because they are really going to enjoy it, trust me. So if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.